Good day, my name is Martin Schweiger and I will today walk you through a patent application that has been done using the Qatent automated drafting tool. I call it a patent drafting robot. What you see here on the screen is the user interface. This is where all the data is input that is used to generate the output. The output would be a Word file, a doc file that you can edit and adapt to what you want. You see three fields here. The upper one is for the invention disclosure. That is a full text that you receive from the inventor or you have drafted it yourself. The lower window here is for the patent claims. Very often patent attorneys start with drafting the patent claims. And then we have a window on the right side, and that comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sections. I choose the terms section because that one is used to display the result of the analysis of the patent claims or the invention disclosure. Let's start with a typical case. Let's first copy paste the claims into the claims window of the patent robot. Copy, switch over and paste. Then I switch the analyze switch on. Here you can toggle between edit and analyze. I do that and it's done. Now next step, we assign reference numerals to the terms that are here, and you see the parser module has identified a few terms that could use some reference numerals. For example, scrollable list. It's here, see? And it would receive a reference numeral 1. I'm doing all the other reference numerals in fast forward mode. Then we have for the first instruction here, click, a second instruction. Then fully display. There's also an easy way to see whether all terms have a correct reference numeral. Just click here and the numbering will be inserted into the claims. See, all the reference numerals are here. Yeah, looks good. We can now add in a figure description here if we have one. If not, then we just click on generate description. Yeah, we save the claims. We get to the second page where we have options for generating the description. You see I have here 1 credit for express generation and 2 interactive generation credits. I'm using the express only here, and there's a pre-selection done here. Some options can only be activated if you are in the interactive mode. I'm just happy with what is here and I click generate patent draft. And what you see here is the patent draft. The patent draft has 3 types of text. One type which is yellow, one type which is green, and then there are a few in italics, and of course between brackets. The text in italic letters is an instruction to you so that you know what is following and what you are expected to do. This is like a work instruction for the reader. So the green text is what comes from the input that we have just generated, the patent claims in our case. The yellow text has been generated by the patent drafting robot, and the yellow text needs to be edited by you, and you need to input a few thoughts so that the whole thing is made better. I prefer to do this in the Word file outside of Qatent, but you can do everything here and then go back and revalidate and so on and so on. But I just export it here, export as a doc, and what you see is here the description. You have now a full patent application plus a reference numeral list, and I put this example into the same post that I generate for the video that I have just taken. Thank you. Goodbye.